Hi guys, it's Jojo. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this 3D French Aurora tip on my pointer finger using Poly Gel and Builder Gel mix. Now, you are going to see me struggle, but I do hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Alright, so on my natural nail, I already have Sally Hansen nail hardener. And then my sweet spot is I put a layer of UNT and let it completely dry. And then after that, I put JelloJello Peel base gel on top of it and cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds. This is my sweet spot. Any more than that, it fell off during shaping. Now we're getting down to business. For polygel, I used the Beetles Poly Gel kit, and I used this number 29 because it has a thicker consistency. Maybe it's because I'm a beginner, but I prefer the thicker one, unlike this clear one where if you see here it's pretty runny. So if you want to do this, if you're a beginner like me, probably get a thicker one because it was easier to shape. It was easier to put them on. This is only probably my second time using polygel, so yeah, you'll see me struggle with applying it. Here shortly, you're gonna see me struggling so bad to get the shape and to stay in frame. But I think what I'm needing was I think a Sable Kolinsky brush maybe. I'm not sure, but I feel like it was really hard to shape with this oval brush that I had. So let me know. What do you think would make this better? Or would help me shape better? So after I'm putting the glove down, basically I like to start at the cuticle first and spread it. Okay, simply because for me I feel like my cuticle is a lot cleaner that way if I do it that way. But it is up to you, whatever works for you. And here I struggled with the shaping, but basically what I'm trying to get is like I'm trying to get a cliff, a straight cliff right along my free edge, and that's gonna be my smile line. Um, yeah, so I did struggle a lot, but basically you'll see at the end after struggling and struggling and struggling, I finally got that cliff on the free edge that I really wanted. Okay, and you do want this thick because technically that's your apex, right? Because you're gonna extend past the free edge with the builder gel. I hope I'm making sense. If I'm not making sense, I'm sorry. But you'll see here in a second what I'm trying to get. Alright, so here you see the cliff, okay? Right on the free edge. And so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna file and shape that free edge to have a crisp line for the smile line. I cured the polygel for about 60 seconds, I believe, or maybe more. Then after I cured, I wiped with alcohol, or you could wipe it with gel cleanser. And then I shaped with 100 and 180 hand file. And basically, I'm just trying to get the cliff to be a crisp, as crisp as can be. Okay, and I also shape so that I have the highest point of the apex right on that smile line, so it looks like this. paper is just nice and crisp and straight like a cliff. So now we're getting into the builder gel tip, which is the fun part for me. I used a mix of all sorts of different glitter, but the important one is the silver holographic glitter and the iridescent glitter. You could use different shift, whether it's the green to yellow or blue to green, whichever. There's no rhyme or reason. I just mix them all and they just look good together. And here I also use like the soft chameleon or unicorn flake. And they're just really pretty. It gives the aurora effect. Okay. On the cliff that I did earlier with the poly gel, what I did is I just lined that with builder gel. And then I extend the nail using builder gel. I do very thin in the beginning right here. It's just like your framework, so you don't want very thick layer because you're gonna layer it later. So you can consider this like your base. Okay. And then I cured for 30 seconds after I have that done. And then I went into painting and adding the glitter. For the smile line, I did use the white gel polish, but if you do want a thicker smile line, you could probably use a white builder gel for this part. And you want to make sure you have a very thick and opaque line, so that way when you file the top off, right, to shape, that you get to see the actual smile line. And here in a minute you'll see like you want to go over the lip, so that way if you file off the top you can still see the smile line. Now you see that where I'm not right on the cliff, but I'm over the cliff. I hope I'm making sense. But if I'm not, please forgive me. But yeah, so that's the smile line. And then after this, I just cure for about 30 seconds. And then I just do the glitter and the dimensional glitter. Here I use the gel base so that the glitter sticks on it, but this is just for this beginning part because later the glitters will stick to the builder gel. Yeah, so that's why I had to use the base gel on this part. Now pretty much from here on I'm just layering the glitter and the foil and the aura flakes and the iridescent glitter using builder gel, so layer by layer. If it's a thin layer, then I cure for about 10 seconds and go to the next layer. But if I were to do the thicker layer of builder gel, then I do cure them for about 30 seconds per layer if they're a thick layer. Otherwise, just flash cure is fine. And also, if you think like the glitter is gonna cover the builder gel and you're not gonna have enough light or UV penetrating to cure it, then you want to do a full cure instead of a flash cure. Yeah, and so I'm gonna let you watch from here because it's pretty much just me putting glitter on the thing and putting builder gel over it. And then afterwards it is gonna go into shaping with hand file and nail drill. And that's pretty much the last of the steps. It is gonna be a long video, so from here, if you want to skip or fast forward, I won't be offended. But let me know what you guys think. If you have comments or critics or constructive criticism, feel free to do so. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that it took so long. It's because I was so busy last week. I hope you like it. I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. But you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.